I forgot to film an intro for this, so it's a little dark, but I built this new box and I found this fucking thing on the side of the road. So I'm gonna put something together, see what we can do. Oh yeah, and we got a fire going because it's like 30 degrees out here. It's rough, but we got some BTUs. We'll be good to go. Oh Jesus! Oh Lord Jesus! He's about my butt. About to get sick nasty out here, dog. Yeah. Big L, Big L.
Yeah, Mac Miller, bitch. Way to go, never running out of gas. 120 on the dash, I don't ever need a map. Mr. Tom, can you please direct me where I'm going? Take a journey through my head, you'll be Motrin. Licking it, splitting it, rolling it, hitting it. Pitches never change up. Boy meets the world, no Corey and Topanga. Different kinds of haters, always tenants with their face up. Bitches want some magic, I ain't with Hermione Granger. Lace up your cleanest shoes, throw on designer clothes. Grab your best weed, alcohol, and finest hoes. Finna have a player's ball, have a make the call. Colors so bright and flamboyant that I paint the wall. Every time I walk by, how these bitches cockeyed. Smoking on some spinach, get me strong, call me Popeye. You with them chicken heads, they just trying to get your bread. Think you getting pussy and the night with just a kiss instead.
We will be here forever. Forever and ever and ever and ever. Forever. Do you understand that?
Entourage is large from here to Vegas. Imitators hate us cause we sport gators and flavors. Put snitches in boxes, coppers and veterans. Watch us, they tried everything in this world to lock us but can't stop us. I use a chrome gap to push those back. Watch how you talk when you call me feds. Got my phone tapped, this rap game, I put my life in it. Chain got mega ice in it, push it infinite. Chrome rims like tinted, fat like an old crayon. Smooth as rayon, Ellis who the ladies stay on. Baby play on, I stayed you held up. Pockets swelled up, from banks I held up. Plenty bitch ass niggas, Big L stuck.
We will be here forever. Forever. Forever and ever. Ever and ever. Forever. Do you understand?
DITC, nigga. Forever.
Ugh.